Who you find?
Please, I need your help.
Oh God! Now customers are they find, don't be police work. What kind of wahala be this?
Please, you really need to help me.
Please come out for this place, I no go fit help you. They go.
You don't understand. I cannot be able to leave if I don't sort out what is keeping me behind. Please.
Make I ask you one question. When you dey alive, you ever reason say he get one girl where they call Chika, where I need help, where you go fit help?
I didn't know you when I was alive.
Beautiful. I no want to know you too, you be ghost. Make it remain like that.
Please. You need to help me.
Your Highness, you summoned for me.
Yes or no, I summoned for you. I recall the last time we had a conversation, I told you that I need a new wife. How far have you gone about it?
Your Highness, honestly, I thought you must have forgotten about it. I didn't bother searching for anyone. I'm sorry, Your Highness.
You thought I might have forgotten about it? How dare you utter such nonsense in my presence? How dare you? Huh? Am I worse to you a joke?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I promise I will get you a bride as soon as possible. I'm deeply sorry.
Good. I am giving you 48 hours. 48 hours to do the needful.
Consider it done, Your Highness. I will get you a bride. A good one.
Good.
Drink.
Have you done what I told you to do? Wait, you have been in that room before and you haven't seen the condition of our queen.
Yes, I have. What do you expect me to do? The king specifically instructed me to keep that room clean at all times. And I just told you to help me out because I was choked with work. Please don't do or say anything that will jeopardize my work here.
But I don't understand. Why is she kept in there without medication? And the room smells so bad. Is our queen dead or what?
If you ask me, who else will I ask?
Well, the king is interested in getting a new wife, and I have thought wild and I have searched around and deemed it very fit to come to your house because your daughter Nkem is well-mannered and I see her as a royal material. So, I came to seek your opinion.
Oh no. What happened to his recently married queen?
Oh, that I cannot explain, but you know the king is someone who gets whatever he demands, and this is one of them.
Well, my daughter Nkem will be in the best position to say something on this issue.
There's no problem. Someone has to come.
Nkem? Nkem, oh! Mama! Come on, no, he's here to see you.
Mama, you called?
Yes, oh no, he's here to see you.
Greetings, Mama.
Kim, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Would you be willing to be the king's wife?
Yeah, go. Come on. Come on here. Come for this place. Why you dey disturb me? Now by force? You don't see any other house going at this place. Come out here, Joe.
I need your help, Chika. Please help me.
I say I no go fit help you now by force.
You really need to help me.
You no go come out from this place. I dey come.
Please help me.
come back and carry that nonsense you drop in my compound.
It's not nonsense. It's a new built, well-designed casket for sale. Don't stop calling it nonsense. It's not a matter of quarrel.
Do I look there to you? I said go and take that nonsense, that takparakpa you call coffin. Take it out of my compound, or else I'll break your head.
I'm advertising my goods, Ichi. Stop making it look like we are having issues here. It's a new, well-befitted casket. A safe trip to heaven. You might need it.
Boy, do I look there to you? Go and take that nonsense out of my compound, or else I'll bury you inside.
Ichi, you have to pay me. That casket, if I don't come advertise them, if you know that inside, your wife, your elder son, if you just come and let that inside.
It is you and your family that will be buried in that casket. Go and take it out of my compound.
If you come out from your compound, now 80,000.
You are mad. Boy, I say you are mad. Go and carry that nonsense to drop in my compound. Boy. Chika. Stop right there.
Why you dey come my name like that? You want buy casket?
The gods forbid.
Which one be God's forbid? You don't look me up before you come. You don't old finish or you don't get close to your grave.
Oh, so that is your plan for me. You will fail. Look, you and your boy will fail. Stay away from me. You both will even die before my time.
Ichi, make I tell you something. Death is inevitable. Everybody go die one day. No be big deal. What you make it a shot like say they owe you money? What in the sup?
See, I came here to warn you and your boy to stay away from my compound with your casket business. Ishen Namdi is never interested and will never be interested in buying your casket. Go and sell it to your enemies, not me. Go and sell it to them.
I don't understand what you did talk. What be my offense? What did I do?
See, let me tell you. The offense is that your boy, our boy, came to my compound this early morning to advertise, what did he call? Casket. To advertise casket. Did I ever tell him that I'm interested in casket orientation? I don't need it. Stay away from my compound. Be warned. And I will not take it lightly next time.
Ichi, see. They say prevention is better than cure. You understand? The only thing when I want make you help me do, because I know say very soon you go soon die. As I dey look you don't old finish, you don't dey close to your grave. What you go do for me be say, before you go die, let me know. Make your family no go buy casket for another place, go carry my money, go somewhere else. Because I get one fine casket where they use gold to make. Inside the casket, it gets spring bed and AC days where go cool your body when you die. So Biko, before you die, call me, say you go soon die, you make a rush, give you the casket. I don't make my money lost. They hear me?
Just be warned.
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way.
I like this.
Might not be about what you've got, but about destiny. You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for another. Your calling may be that of help for the good of the people. If you are made a king, if you've got the power.
By the time I step out, these useless girls in this village, they will know that Amaka, me, I have arrived. Amaka neti. We're fine. They will sleep into depression. I will show them Pepe. I will show them Shege in this village. See how beautiful it is.
Why did you? Why? Why did you kill me? Why?
What's wrong? What happened? Why are you screaming? What happened to you? What happened?
I saw him. I saw Brad Collins. He was standing here. He was here.
Are you okay? I saw him!
I saw him!
Collis is dead! Calm down, nobody is here!
I saw him! He was here!
Just calm
He
down.
was here!
Nobody is here! He's dead! You didn't see anybody?
I didn't see anybody.
Okay, calm down. I know it will be hard for you to get through this, but you have to try because I am trying, okay? Just calm down. I think you need some rest. You have to go inside and rest. Nobody is here. I'm not seeing anybody. Nobody is here. Just calm down.
You didn't see him? Oh!
Okay. Nobody is here. Nobody is just...
Nobody
is here. Just take the dress and go inside.
Boy, so you truly give casket to Iche Nami?
Madam, no be only am. I even give some people made a come patronize us. No say na politics they say.
You're doing very well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
No wonder my father took you very close to him when he was alive.
Yes, indeed. Well, that reminds me. Have you been receiving any strange visitation from any ghost?
You said they see him too.
That is stubborn, whatever. Bless him, matter serious.
They go get money to buy casket. That is the issue.
But you can't tell now. You can't find out.
Don't worry, I'll go reason with them. I'll follow and talk. Go buy food for me. I'm hungry.
What you want, chop?
Anything where you buy, I'll go chop. Let me select.
Your Highness, you demanded for a wife. Behold, you came, daughter of with your son.
Oh no, Your Highness. I like what I'm saying. She is so beautiful.
Sure, she is.
Well, I know I can always count on you, anytime, any day. This one you've done, I shall reward you. I shall reward you immensely. No, where did you go? What do you want though? Turn around. Sit down. Hi. Oh no. You've done so well. Oh no, we'll take her home. This is really good. Mother. This is my newfound bride. Isn't she beautiful? Anyway, I will take this to be yes. Oh no, we'll take her home. Okay.
Your Highness.
Okay, Mark. Go home, I will come and see your kinsmen.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
I am Thank
Young lady, if you value your life, I mean if your life is precious to you, stay away from this palace. I am not telling you this because I hate you. It's for your own good. Erase the thought of becoming queen and live your life to the fullest. Okay, come on. You may leave. Thank you. Yes. What is wrong? Since you came back from the palace, you've not told me how your meeting with the king went.
It went well, Mama.
Okay. I am not a baby. From your countenance and response, I know all is not well. My daughter, tell me what happened.
Mama,
my daughter,
the king likes me. He really wants to marry me, but the queen mother, she threatened me not to come anywhere close to the palace for my own good.
What? Why?
I have no idea. She sounded really serious. Mama, I think she doesn't like me.
Chai, you know what? The king's third wife had a strong relationship with the queen mother. And that was why he got Queen Lizzy married to his son. I think that's the reason why.
Then if that's the reason, I have to stand my ground. Yes, because the king assured me that everything will be fine, and I believe him. I have to
That's the spirit,
ground.
my daughter. You see, we are not talking. That's the spirit.
Thank you.
You know what? Go inside and rest, eh?
Thank you, Mama.
Just relax yourself. Have
Thank
a nice rest, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, my daughter. She's a woman of your time. Don't be afraid of her. If she don't challenge her,
Thank God say you come. I been want summon your spirit. How you there now?
I need your help.
Guy, the way they always talk, I need your help, and you they give me poverty vibes. They do like say una, but una get money. Anyone I no want use my services.
That's not why I came. I do really need your help.
But you need my help. The very selfish ghost. They can tell you. You want make I help you, but you don't want to answer my request. If you don't come out for this place, I go pluck you and flog mark put for your body. Or you come out for you and I say back.
It's okay. I am sorry. I'll do whatever you want.
One thing I want to be say, your burial services, everything concerning the burial, you go hand them over to me, make I do them. I go give you now at affordable price. And I don't go spend too much.
Deal. That's not a problem. Yes.
So what if that way you see what make I do for you again?
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way.
Justice you shall get.
Might not be about what you've got, but about destiny. You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for another. Your calling may be that of help for the good of the people. If you are made a king, if you've got the power, if you are made a king, if you've got the power. Oh, yes.
Hey, where you? Stop there.
And who are you to tell us to stop?
If person see una, they go think say una be better people. Say una no go feel hot fly. Say una dey fear cockroach, but you are a murderer. Una be killers.
Are you mad? No, are you okay? Is that how you behave? So you see people walking on the road and you start harassing them?
What's going on here?
I don't understand what this idiot is saying.
I never even talk. You don't they call me idiot. If I can't put my mouth, what you gonna go do?
What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
What you make una kill una brother?
Wait. You have the audacity to stop us and the temerity to ask us that rubbish question. Our own brother, you're accusing us of killing our own brother. Eh? Where did you get that information from?
Directly from the horse's mouth.
Hey. Wait. You mean our brother told you all this?
Bam.
Remind me who you are again.
My name na Chika, daughter of the late Orji, CEO of Orji Casket World. Your mind don't reach ground, Abi?
Chika, whatever you call yourself. Hope you can defend this thing you just said, though.
Yes, so.
Because I will not spare you. I will not spare you. How dare you?
Defend it, oh.
Wait, this different one at the talk. You won't carry me go court. I dey ready, oh. Yes, bring your phone. Make I give you my number. I dey plea. I know they shake. Come collect the number.
Let's go.
Killers, murderers now na be.
When the police come for you now, you be shaking.
We must go that court.
Let's go.
You see that court? We must go.
Let's go. You go. You.
Killers. See how them be a numpama. Murderers. Killers. Wicked souls.
Chika, the daughter of the late casket seller, accused you both of killing your brother. Is she insane? See, that girl's nonchalant attitude is becoming unbearable in this kingdom. Huh? What nonsense? Huh? She will want to force people to buy coffin as if coffin is a daily consumption. Now it has come to accusing people. Please do sit down.
Oh no, we are not here to sit. Please. We have made up our mind to take that girl to the police station. I, for one, will not take that rubbish at all. That girl has beaten more than she can chew. We have made up our mind to lock that girl in the police station. She has really pinched my soul. And I, for one, will not take that rubbish from her. We are going to lock her up and throw away the key to the dungeon. No. What kind of rubbish is that? Eh? If she tried this rubbish she did today again, we will not take it lightly with her.
Oh, no, it hasn't gotten to that, okay? I will personally handle this, okay? I will call her to order and ensure she comes around to apologize to the both of you.
Oh no, you better do. Please. This thing is getting out of hand. Yes, sir. It's not making sense anymore. At all. Please. Anyways, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Use this one and bipolar. Eh?
Oh. Yeah. You brought an envelope for no?
Yeah.
My God will bless you. And God will give you the fortitude to bear your brother's trust. Okay?
Thank you. No.
Thank you.
We'll be on our way. But please, we hope to get a good response from you. Okay? Please, just help us to talk to that girl. She's going crazy. Thank you. No.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What kind of rubbish is that?
Oh. I brought envelope for you.
Mother, what did you tell Nkem?
Who is Nkem?
Nkem is my wife to be. What did you tell her?
What did she tell you I told her?
Mother, issuing threats to my fiancé is something I cannot condone. I will not take it. If you have a problem with her, please dish it out with me and not with her. She is the future queen of this kingdom. Please stay away from her. If this happens again, I will not let it slide.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Richard. Do the life of those ladies matter to you at all?
Oh, Mother. My matrimony shouldn't be your concern. It shouldn't be your business. This is the last warning.
My friend, you don't mean it. So very soon you become the Lolo of this great kingdom.
Yes, my friend. The king has shown 101% interest in me. And the way he flocks around me, one would think that he's still a bachelor. You would think that he has never been shown love by a woman before.
Wow. This is so incredible. I'm so happy for you, my friend.
Thank you.
Please, when you get there, don't forget me. You're your friend, right?
You know I can never forget you now. You're my best pal. Okay, see, once I become the queen, the Lolo of this entire kingdom, I will invite you over and make you the general head of the meetings.
Wow.
In that way, we can get to gist and gossip all the time.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
Come, tell me about the palace.
Ebuka, this guy just the vroom. What's they make you in a hurry?
Ah boy, my uncle is critically sick as I'm talking to you now.
Hey, no be that your uncle, Japheth?
Yes, so.
See the done?
Guy, as I'm talking to you now, he can't talk. He can't move his body.
Hey.
See, you know what? I have to run along so that I can get him some drugs, okay?
Okay.
Let me go.
Well, no need for that drug. He don't die. Bring her come. 20% discount I go give you. My casket go enter and well.
Now your uncle I go die.
I bet you know if you don't die this night, press him. May he die fast. Fruit we don't run. If it is or no, which casket do you want to buy? Based on your prestige and this one will fit you very well.
You won't be out of your senses. It is your father you want to rebury. By the way,
Where is your sister? She's the one I've come to see.
My madam no do. What's happen? Hope there's no problem.
There is a very big problem. Anyway, hence she's not here. Let me deliver the message. There's a particular family she accused of killing their brother. Eh? If not for my intervention, they would have taken this particular case higher than necessary. See, you had better warn her to desist from this attitude. Tell her I said she should stay very clear from that family. Otherwise, she might not contain what she will see.
Alright, Ono, I've heard you. But you can see bring business for us. Me and
Come,
my
get
mother.
down. Shut up.
Abu, any better?
I agree to madam. Hey, I can't find you, but I know say you go there for us. Market with all this period too, but to know who can find you for sure.
He come for bookings?
No. He say they accuse one family, say they kill their brother. So he say their matter don't reach and make you stop. If not, the matter go pass the way it is.
Not mine now. Any other news?
No. Business just do, but by the grace of God, go push on.
I hope you lock my shop before you come.
I lock him. But that man never bring that this thing come for that casket design we want put. I think they just wait us now.
No, they go.
Mama, sit down. Guess.
What is it?
Mama, just guess.
No, I'm not good at guessing.
Mama,
Just say it.
The king just informed me that we will be getting married on his birthday, Mama.
Really?
Yes. And his birthday is this weekend. Hey! I can't wait.
But he has not come to see me in person.
Mama, are you expecting the king, the Igwe of this kingdom, to come here and see you? No, now. It's not possible. You have to go to the palace and see him.
He has not invited me. He has not. Where can I just start going? He should invite me.
Mama, don't worry. I'll tell him to invite you. But for now, Mama, I am super happy that I and Kem will soon be the Lolo, the queen of this community.
I mean that I is going to be a mother-in-law to the king.
So,
mother-in-law to the king of this kingdom.
Lolo, Kem. Lolo, the queen of the whole kingdom.
Where you go? I don't understand. You again? What is it? You go confess? Are you mad? You go confess your atrocities?
Wait, you're carrying king for us. For us.
You kill your brother, you go confess? I go flog you.
Do you know?
See my body. I will not take this anymore. Oh no, see my body. See on my body.
I thought you said you had everything under control. You see that girl? That calls herself Chica? I will lock her and throw away the key into the dungeon where nobody will see the key. Look at what she done to my body. Look at my beautiful skin. Oh no, see, Negodu alone, see my body.
Oh no, see now with my steez and my composure. This girl beat us to pieces.
Wait. Are you telling me Chika flogged you people like children? This is madness! Madness! What rubbish? So upon all my warnings,
Upon all my one is this girl went ahead to put her hands in my eyes. That's no problem. I must deal with her. I will deal with her so mercilessly.
Oh no, flog is an understatement. Oh, if you see what this girl did to us, this girl beat us, she embarrassed us, she rolled us on the floor. If you see what like was,
it's okay, it's okay. I've heard you. I've heard you. I promise I will handle her. I will handle her my own way. Okay? Please, you can go now.
No, do something. Because if I start my own now, nobody should own me. Oh, if I start my own now, what I will do to that girl?
I have seen that this madness has eaten deep into you. Have I not warned you to stay clear of Amaka and Amara? See, you went ahead to flog them mercilessly. Why?
For killing their brother, they deserve worse.
How did you know? Were you there? Why judge them wrongly, for God's sake? Why?
They say what an elder sees while sitting, a child cannot see it, even if it climbs the highest mountain.
Chibo, come. Chika, are you indirectly calling me a child? Are you? I see. I will ensure I close down your shop. And Igwe must say about all your atrocities in this kingdom.
Concerning the Igwe you just mentioned now, I hear say again one big party when they want to celebrate, where they come up very soon. I'll go take their life and direct.
And I'll be waiting. Let me see you there. Madness.
Madman.
Richard.
Oh, mother.
I have searched the entire palace and I can't find your wife. Queen Lizzy. I can't find her. Where is she?
Why are you searching for her?
Why won't I? This is exactly the same way other queens in this palace disappeared without trace. And you have to know this. Queen Lizzy is like a family to me. Her matter is of great concern to me. I will not take it easy.
Well, I'm sorry to inform you that I have flown her out of the country for proper treatment.
What? Richard, you did what? Without my knowledge?
Mother! She is my wife. And I need no approval from anyone to do whatever I want to do with my own wife. I am the king. Well, not at the moment. Her health is critical right now, but don't worry. Whenever I hear positive news, I will let you know.
Which one be this again now? Waiting now.
You are giving up on me already. Please, you need to keep fighting for me.
Make I do waiting. So my business where they want shut down, no concern you, Abi. You're a very selfish person. You be less than this your selfishness. I make them kill you in the first place. Day your day, oh. Day your day, make I day my day. No, they disturb me. Or they follow me. What is this? What kind your own, I beg?
Please.
Oh, please me, I beg.
Ebuka, how are you?
Hey, Amara. I'm fine. What's up?
I'm good. You don't look good to me. You look like you've not eaten all day. Just hop in. Let me take you to where you can eat because I don't like the way you're looking. You look so hungry and stressed.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
I was not talking to you, stupid, ugly, useless brat. I was not referring to you. I was only talking to the handsome man you kept under the hot sun.
Ebuka, what's the meaning of this rubbish this girl is saying?
You know what, Ngos? Just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. What is she saying?
Ebuka, are you coming in or not? Because I can remember vividly when you came to my late brother for help. You came to him to ask him money for business. I can give you the money. Just hop in, let's go and eat. We can talk about it.
Wait, are you serious?
I am very serious. Just come in.
You mean you can give me that money?
Wow.
No.
Ngozi, see, just calm down. Just calm down. Just go home. I will come and see you later in the evening.
Are you insane? Don't tell me you are literally following this girl because of what?
Hey, what?
Under my nose?
Wait, Ngozi, you are taking this too far. Just calm down. I said I will come and see you later in the evening. We are talking about money here.
What do you have to offer him? Nothing. You this mumu girl. You're suffering somebody's son.
Don't listen to her. I love you so much.
I love you too, but I need this money, okay? Don't worry. I will buy you ice cream. I will buy you everything that you need. Later we'll see.
Ebuka, please don't do this to me. I love you. Don't do this. Please, I
don't
beg
worry
you.
now. You're talking about money. You're talking about love. Later we need money to spice up this love.
Please,
okay?
I love you, please.
I love you too.
Ebuka, I love you.
I love you. You know what? We need money to spice up this love, okay?
Ebuka, please don't do this to me. I love you. Please.
I'm gonna see you later.
Please, I love you.
Ngozi, what is it? What is it? Why are you crying?
My friend, I have never been this humiliated my entire life. Could you believe? Because of money, my Ebuka, my own Ebuka, left me and followed another woman.
Ebuka left. Which woman is it, please?
Is it not that stupid Amara? The one that lost her brother that came back from the city.
Amara?
Mm-hmm.
I know Amara now. Yes. Amara snatched Ebuka from you with whose money? Which money? Which time did Amara become rich in this village?
You know, ever since the death of her brother, she and her sister inherited the wealth of their brother. And ever since then, she has been growing wings. She has been doing a lot of things to me.
I see. Really? Don't worry. You worry yourself too much. Have you forgotten who is seated right beside you? Your friend here will soon become the Lolo, the queen of the entire kingdom. You don't have anything to worry about. By the time I become the queen, I will deal with them. So
are you serious?
Of course. No one messes with my best friend and goes scot-free. See, you know, I will not just be the queen. By the time I become the queen, I will have money and I will have power. And you know that power controls me.
Yes, I know.
So relax. I will mess them up in this
Please,
village.
my friend, do anything. I will really be grateful. Please, mess her up. You see that, Amara? Deal with her.
Don't worry yourself.
Deal with her very well.
I am going to
make sure you deal
exactly
with her.
that.
Deal with
Relax.
her.
So smile. Smile to the queen of the community. Don't worry.
hail the lion! All hail the lion! All hail the lawmaker! All hail the king of kings! And finally, all hail King Richard I of Human Kingdom! And his beautiful bride! Enough! Who are these morons? And what are they doing in my palace?
Igwe, calm down your pressure. I go whine you, but no panic. I did for you.
Check, are you again? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Relax yourself now. Not be problem carry me come. I came here for peace. I hear say our Igwe, they do big party. Now I key into the celebration by bringing this special wedding gift for the royal family.
This is the special wedding gift you came to give me? A casket? A coffin?
You say? What you call that thing? Now this is they call Oga. This now my most expensive casket for my shop. You know, she say na gold that they engrave am. Eh? I can't give you they look down on her. What in the shop now?
Well, I don't need your expensive gifts. Take these things out of here. Now! Get out!
With all due respect, sir, I am standing under the existing protocol. What did they work you? You no get sense? You know the thing? Your brain, the malfunction. If to say I dey sell limousine, they sell G-Wagon, they sell Prado, and I give them to you, you no go collect them, you go even dash me chief person title. You know how much they sell this casket? This casket is very expensive. It's equivalent to the price of a G-Wagon in the market. Google them. Sure. I know they take this thing play. Oh.
Enough. Enough of this. Have you gone nuts? Are you crazy? Now listen to me. This is not a request. It is an order. An executive order, alright? Get this coffin and your morons out of my palace now!
Igwe, this casket, you go need them, oh. And the way they look you, you know, say I get spiritual eyes where I take the see. It be like say you go soon die. No, it be like say na Lolo go die next too. Because you dey obese, you be like who they suffer diabetes. It be like now you go die next. And what they pay me be say, una go need this casket because by the time una go die now, una gonna find emergency casket. That time it go down too late. Because that time the price of this casket go high because dollar don't go up. So we gonna keep this casket for corner. Pack am now as before it's too late oh.
God! God! Come on, get this moron out of front
for this place.
Chika, are you mad?
Make I tell you something. A small thing, the quick person. And I know they like people when they appreciate. I mean, look myself less. Carry this casket, don't give you. On a normal, now governors will they give this ministers, president. See casket where they anyway. A boy. Since you know appreciation, I make we they go now.
Get out!
No worry, go be for you. You go find me because I know say you go soon die.
I said,
get
out! Get out! Get out!
What nonsense! What insolence! Who does that fool think she is? To come to my palace and interrupt my own ceremony?
Your Highness, please do not ponder over these little girl's issues. Ever since she came back to this village, her madness is becoming apparent. Her late father was not like this. I wonder where she's getting all these stupid inspirations from.
She better take her stupidity out of my palace. Because the next time she tries this, I am going to put her beneath the earth.
Biko, please. You know she's still a small girl growing up. Please, temper justice with mercy, Biko. Oh?
Then you had better call her to order. Her madness is becoming unbearable. All in the name of marketing her product. If she doesn't take time, she will have it the hard way.
Okay. Igwe, you are letting the madness done by Chika get to you. Let us go back to the ceremony and enjoy ourselves. After all, she's a low class. Don't let her drag you to her level.
Your Highness, Iche is right. You have to get back to the party. These girls need to get issues. Shouldn't disrupt our happiness, you know. Please let us marry, please. This is your day.
It's alright. It's alright.
What do you want? I want to help you.
I need your help.
No be you be Queen Richard's wife. The one where they marry each day.
Yes. That is why I need your help.
I no fit help you, na my madam. Wait, make I carry you go. But how I want to carry you go meet my madam now? Anyhow I want to do and follow me.
Please, you really need to help me. I need justice. That's the only way I can cross over to the afterlife. My sisters need to pay for what they have done to me. Please help me.
Waka fast. You get person who go deliver casket. Madam, I greet you.
Why you come out from shop, boy?
You get one woman where she fair come say she won't see you.
Which woman?
See her here. She said she won't see you.
I came here before her, so you need to sort me out first. Please.
Boy. Madam. How many people buy coffee today?
Nah, nobody don't do, but we're in a ref for shop today, sir.
And ghosts, they disturb us up and down, they pursue us. And to Kukuma close the shop now. Just become spirit police, how you see them?
You better we go to collect monthly salary.
You? Who are you? Why are you dressed like a queen?
Because I was a queen. My name was Queen Elizabeth, the third wife of King Richard.
Which Richard? When we just married, which day here?
Yes.
Things they happen, no. You, I go help you solve your case. But you go promise me, say you go buy my most expensive casket for your burial.
I promise.
You promise?
I promise I will buy it.
Where could they go?
Why are you leaving me here? Chika!
Another watching Tinosugo.
You are Amara, right? No. So where is she? And who's asking? You address your things properly. Where is Amara? And who is looking for me? Yes? Oh, and how may I help you? You are the fool who snatched my friend's man away, right?
So, you came to fight for her?
Oh no, come on. I am a queen. I am royalty. I don't fight with pigs like you. Instead, I will put you where you rightfully is. Amara, you think you have money, right? You see, today, you put that money into good use.
Will you shut that thing with cold mouth?
You couldn't fight for yourself and you send this thing to my house, okay? queen? Are you mad? Did you just do you realize I'm your queen? Attack her! Immediately! Attack her! Amara, let's beat her! Oh, my queen! Beat her! Beat her! She's a fellow woman! My queen! Beat her! Amara!
My king. And where do you think you're coming from?
Nowhere serious, my king. I just took a stroll around the kingdom.
You took a stroll around the kingdom without informing me. You left this palace without even informing anyone in this palace. Now listen to me. Let this be the first and last you are going to live here without my consent. I understood.
Yes, my king.
Sorry. This thing is painful. Hi. But Amara, how did you get yourself in the queen's trap in the first place? How? I don't know. It was the guy I collected from Ngozi. I don't know that this will happen. I don't know that Ike will come for me. Yeah! Ebuka, that one. From Ngozi. Again, is it? Why? What do you mean, why? I have money now. We have money. Yes, I thought maybe having money, I can get whatever I want. Anything gettable, I can get it.
Okay.
I have money. I can get any man, anybody, whatever I want to get.
Okay.
Oh, you have money. Why? Now see where your money challenge has landed you. A hot slap on your face. You need to be very careful. Very careful who you choose your battle with. If not, one day they will kill you. Why are you shouting? Instead of you to go and get hot water and rag and press me, you are here talking rubbish. Ordinary slap. Okay.
Hey, Amara, how are you?
Don't you dare touch me. Are you mad?
Wait. Why are you so aggressive? What did I do wrong?
Go and follow your stupid Amara. We are done.
Come on, wait. What is it? Is it because of what happened the other day? See, okay, I'm sorry. As for Amara, I have nothing to do with her. We are just friends, that's all.
Look, Ebuka, I'm warning you for the last time. The next time you will stop me here and say something stupid like this, I'm going to do something nasty to you. Idiot.
Ngozi? Babe! You can't just walk out of me like this. Amara! Ebuka, your darling is here. Are you the one backing like this? Mark, how are you?
What is it? What is it now? Why are you here?
Good afternoon.
Hold your poor greetings. I don't need it.
Okay. I want to see Amara.
Asu. What for?
I said I want to see Amara.
Why now? Why? Tell me why. You're wasting my time. I was busy inside. Wait, oh. Are you not Ngozi's boyfriend?
Point of correction. I'm not dating Ngozi. We are just friends.
Okay. Oh yeah, get out. Get lost and go and meet your friend. Don't ever come here again. Do you understand me?
Amaka, I don't understand. Why are you asking me to leave? I only said I am not Ngozi's boyfriend.
Yeah, because I will tear you slap now. I said you should get out from this place. What is it? What do you want with my sister?
Okay, fine. Your sister promised me some money that I want to use for your business. So please, can I see her?
Don't you see that you are stupid?
a fool for the Dikeh. See how stupid you are. You came here to ask my sister, a woman, for money. Get out. The next time you come to this my compound, I will slap you. I'm not playing no one. Just go and say, I will slap your face. Leave your eyes, sir.
Amaka.
Rubbish.
But what did they owe you now? First, make you deliver the casket. The people want to embalm the body. You they waste time. Do fast, I beg.
Knock.
Welcome. Oh. How about dinner?
I did fine, oh. Thank you. Chika, how is business?
You don't know now.
Please, Chika. I say, let me come and tell you. You know me and my family. We no follow for people where they hold your business. I'm here to specially invite you for my wedding.
Congratulations. When be the wedding?
Thank you. In 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks.
Everything you need to know is in here.
Don't worry, I go show.
I trust you.
So finally, AGK decided to marry you. You know, so I be the one that what did they make this man no one marry you as fine as you are?
Now you remain. Chika, now you remain. Try and find yourself your own man. You need to come out of this loneliness. Aren't you tired?
No, it's here. You can't go. I won't get one important call I won't make.
But you never reach like that. You dey pursue me.
I be they make the call before you come now. I know on a private call. I don't make you there here listen to the call. They go.
Okay, no problem. But please hold on to this invitation. I don't want to miss you.
I go come.
All right then.
Bye.
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 What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here? Or have you come to unleash more of your stupidity on me?
Oh no, you're an elderly man. That is why I have personally come to speak to you.
Oh, so you know I'm an elderly man. And on countless times you have insulted me. Even as the Olo of this community.
Oh no, you may not like my methods. But I've always stood by the truth. You don't ever ask what to kill your brother.
What is the essence asking? People die on a daily basis, so why should I ask what killed him? Tell me.
I don't expect the soul of the dead to come to me for help. Your brother Collins was murdered by his sisters. He died of excess drugs in his system. His sisters killed him over his money. You knew Collins before he died. He was never into drugs. Why would excess drugs be found in his system? Why?
Chika, are you saying that Collins' spirits do appear to you?
Yes. If I delay, I'm going to run autopsy test for him to see if I'm right or wrong. His soul is restless. His soul needs help. His soul has refused to rest. He is seeking for justice. And justice he must get.
I've come to discuss something very important with you girls, and I need a sincere answer.
Important? Oh no, what is it? Tell us.
Okay. What do you think killed your brother?
Oh no, what kind of question is that? We already told you and everybody in this village that our brother died in his sleep. What do you want us to say?
Oh no.
And what do you think could lead to his death while sleeping?
Oh no. If there was something wrong, we would have known, Abi. Yes. Is there something wrong?
It's okay, at this point, I think we have to conduct an autopsy test to know why he died.
No, why? Oh no, our brother will be buried anytime soon. What's the essence of this test?
Yes, no, my sister is right. We don't need it.
It's okay. You both are mandated to stay within the vicinity of this kingdom. You don't travel out until the autopsy test is out. Have I made myself clear?
Oh no, it's not clear.
Oh, are you trying to say we are under hostage in our own house?
After the test, I will get back to you.
Oh.
That is an instruction. Thank you.
Amaka, we really have to do something fast. Because this result will expose us. What are we going to do? I'm afraid.
Then what do you suggest we do? Eh?
Amaka, I think we should go and meet Ono. Yes, we should go and meet him. Tell him that we need to carry the autopsy ourselves. Yes, we have money. We can get any doctor of our choice to carry out the autopsy.
You are correct though. It's a good idea. But will it work?
Of course it will work. We have money. We can get any doctor we want to get. But the point is, who is even instigating this autopsy stuff? Eh?
See, I just hope it's not that stupid chica.
If I catch that girl, if I catch that chica girl, what I will do to her? Wait, let me just leave Chica first. But we have a very big problem. Eh? Because if they go for this autopsy now and they find out the result, what are we going to do? We're in big trouble.
Finished though.
We have to stop them.
We have to
go and meet to know.
We have to
go and meet to know. Yes, that is what we do.
My beautiful friend, congratulations. Oh, congrats. Happy married life.
Congratulations. So, what's going on? Congratulations, you came to my compound with a casket on my traditional marriage. Chica!
I bring special gift for you now. You know like
God forbid. You did not see any tangible gifts to give me, Chica, your friend. It's a casket. Please leave this compound before my husband and his people get here.
Well, I don't understand. This gift now they say no they tangible. You know how much they sell them? Make I tell you something, you need this casket. If you die, where they go put you? Not be coffin they go put you.
Chica, I'm not going to die. God forbid you will die before me.
You say God forbid. You won't live forever. Your mama and papa live forever. Your ancestors, they live forever.
Please, Chica, start going. Leave. In fact, you're no more needed. You are no more invited